Ooh, I see a box. I think this is gonna be my new best friend.
Yeah, it's a robot.
How'd you know? Careful, Daddy might cut you. Careful. Move out.
I know what to do.
Uh-oh. What is it?
Can I help?
Ooh.
Sure.
Careful.
Oh.
Let's see. This will be you, Daddy, and Mommy's new best friend. I think.
What's
Okay.
this?
It's a paper. You're crazy. Ah! Okay. It says it has a 30-day free returns. You got it from? Where'd you get it from? Amazon Prime. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Woohoo. Vacuuming and mopping in one. I'm so excited. Shh. I can't hear. You're crazy. Okay, I'll wrap here. Daddy, I have a present for you.
Where's my present?
Right here in a brown bag.
Crazy guys, my present.
I just want to roll around.
Ooh, careful. You might have to return. Hopefully not. Hopefully this is a good batch. Okay. With 2 cleaning modes of vacuuming and mopping, the robot easily tackles debris, stains, and dirts, double cleaning floors. Yoo-hoo! We'll use the vacuum first, and then we'll try to mop after the vacuum.
Over there.
You're crazy! Crazy, crazy! Look at that! Crazy guy! I'll tape it. Want me to tape you?
Okay, but then I tape it after, okay?
Okay, I will tape you. Hang on 1 second. Oh, it's okay now. You can do that. Perfect. Okay. Here's a present. Here's a surprise.
What I want to do is to roll around.
To roll around?
Yeah.
No, you might get suffocated. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Parts. Oof. Ah, we can't use it yet. We gotta charge it.
Filter.
We might have to come back
Another filter.
for it.
Hold on, wait a minute. Can
Remote
we draw?
control.
Can we draw a face on
It's
it?
not Wi-Fi. It's remote control, but it's not Wi-Fi. Okay, I didn't buy the one that's
Can we
Wi-Fi.
draw a face on it?
A face?
Yes. Like,
Quick start, guys.
take a Sharpie and draw a happy face.
Oh no! We'll have to wait until 30 days because if it breaks within 30 days, then we can return it. Okay? We don't know because this is an appliance that we want to see.
Position the charging base.
We will charge and then we will be right back. Say right back.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Peace out. Okay, so for right now we're charging it. The blue lights that's going up and down will stop, right, Dad?
Yes, Mom.
And it will be solid if it's done charging. Okay, and then right now they're cleaning up. So when it's done charging, we could actually clean. What's in the box? Manual or instructions, 2 filters, 2 extra brushes, brush heads. I think this is to clean the filter. Mop. This is the water tank. And this is the remote. Okay, so manual or user manual.
Gotta go on the table, bud.
Extra brush heads. Brush for cleaning, 2 filters. Mop. An extra mop. Remote control. Water tank. And there's still another compartment in there. And I think it is for the dust. So check it out. Later, we'll come back.
Are you all right?